Adrian here and welcome again to another video. If you're like me who likes to use our videos as a tool to tell stories, I recently found out that there's one thing that you always need to include on your videos to make your storytelling 100% better. And no, it's not fancy effects or overused transitions, but this one thing. Let me tell you a story. A few days ago, my friend Mark and my girlfriend Gian celebrated their birthday. For me, I just wanted to bring my camera and document the day. And through the editing process, I really enjoyed editing the video because of this one thing. And I'll tell you after this clip. I'll show you the video that I created and I'll tell you that one thing that I found out that will make your storytelling 100% better. Roll that clip. So have you guessed what is that one thing that you need to include in your videos to make it 100% better? If not, let me tell you. It is the people. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the people. Because people and their expressions is one of the best ways, if not the best way, to put emotions on your videos. And videos having emotions is the best way to be relatable for your viewers, or to make it more relatable for your viewers. And I think if you can make your viewers relate to the video or your mood or the thing that you're expressing, I think that makes a very, very good video. So if you're trying to make a good video, make sure to include people on your next films. Or on your next travel film. Don't settle for just landscapes of the waterfall or the sky or the beach. Make sure to include yourself, that you're happy and you're amazed on what you're seeing. So I hope you learned something today. This is Adrian signing off. Peace.